Okay, this is looking pretty good. One thing is if you could name it with your name. There's submission instructions with each of the assignments that shows you the naming convention. So if you could stick with that, that would help me out. The feet look like they could use a little work. I think, and the one I demonstrated, I didn't bevel the bottom, but I had a bigger bevel around the front than I did on the along the top, so that rounded the front and that. And so just really quickly again to show you the basic steps here. I know that size isn't right, but just to get the steps, I did these ones around the sides. Control B, and then adjusted the fraction and segments on that. And then I'll take this top one and convert the selection to edges, which I can do convert selection to edges or Control F10, and then Control B and adjust the fraction and segments on that. And then that way I got a shape that's much more like the one in the original. Yeah, and then something looks a little lumpy there. I'm not sure why. For this one, make sure you only bevel the edges that are represented in a corner. You don't need to do all these inside ones. This should have been extruded from here rather than a separate object, and then also that should be beveled. Um, and yeah, so those are the big. Oh, and then you didn't do the thing in the middle here. You didn't do that piece, and then you also want to organize these into groups to clean up your outliner. So yeah, a bunch of little things to fix, but mostly looking all right.